No idea what happened back there. It scared me. I was walking out here to do something. Something popped off. It's the xAI power plant in South Haven, Mississippi. Some popped off a second ago. I don't know if I should be out here right now. Oh, my decimal reader. I wasn't coming out here for any noise right now. It's probably like 9:30-ish, maybe a little later. Yeah, it was a break from the high pitch for a minute, but I don't know what happened.